Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's simply me, Tay, here, and I am giving you what you've been requesting, my after 4th of July party cleanup video. As you guys can see, my kitchen is a hot mess. My backyard is as well. I don't go too deep into the dirt in this one, but later on in the video, you're gonna see there's chips and candy wrappers and plates and sodas and everything absolutely everywhere. So if you need some cleaning motivation this morning or whenever you are watching this, go ahead and get started because this is going to be motivating. As you know, I like to start in my kitchen because that's the hub of the home, and I always go ahead and declutter my counter space and my table space just so I have a clean slate to work with, and then I go ahead into the dishes and into cleaning any other areas that are really dirty. In this video we are going to be cleaning my stove, and I looked at my stove and it was disgusting. It looked like somebody dumped something in there. So we definitely got a lot of cleaning to do. I got a lot of trash going on, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it being done because it's so refreshing having a clean kitchen, especially after how dirty it was. So if you guys remember, I told you that I was going to be using my dishwasher more often because I just lately just keeping up with everything. It's much easier when I use my dishwasher. So I'm going to put everything I can in the dishwasher, things that are dishwasher safe, and then everything else I am going to hand wash. I do like doing both because I really enjoy hand washing, but I also like the convenience of putting things in the dishwasher. Y'all know that your girl is short and I cannot reach the top of my cabinets, so I always have to pull out my handy dandy step stool to get things where they need to go. Do y'all see? Y'all are gonna see. How disgusting is that? It's like some caked up something. So I sprayed it with my method degreaser and let it set while I clean the countertops, and then I come back to it and really get, to scrubbing and put a little elbow grease in there because it was nasty and I can't live like that. It was very necessary for me to go ahead and give these grates a good scrub down because stuff had caked up on them and it was just definitely time to do so. I don't do it every time I clean my stove because I don't feel it's necessary, but I definitely do it when it's needed and at least once a month. So we had 7 of us playing the Mexican dominoes that's in that case on the table, and y'all, that game is so much fun. Like, the girls are like, oh, we need to come and play that again. So let me know down in the comments below, have you guys heard of the Mexican dominoes, the train game? If not, get it. It's amazing and it's a lot of fun. Alright, y'all, so we are back in my backyard, and please don't judge, it is under construction. But I am gonna go ahead and it's really a surface cleaning. It's not gonna be a deep cleaning because I don't get in the grill. I just did not have the energy to deep clean that grill because off camera I had already cleaned up the living room and some other areas, and so they weren't that bad, but as y'all seen, my kitchen was disastrous. And then I came out here and I'm gonna be cleaning up the table, a little bit of the outdoor kitchen area, and the pool. So if you guys are interested in seeing a deep cleaning of my backyard outdoor kitchen area and the table, let me know and I will definitely do that, because we definitely get our use of the backyard during the summertime, because why not? That's why I have this. It was funny, my son said, "Mom, is this the cleanup party you were talking about?" I said, "Yes, isn't this fun?" We did have music on and we had the sliding door open so we could hear it. And we like to clean up and have fun, so either I'm watching some YouTube videos or I'm listening to music. It's one or the other because I need something to keep me going, because cleaning up definitely gets boring or takes a toll. So all I need is a little bit of music or some cleaning motivation, and I'm in it to win it.
Hey, it's Christian, and we are going to be taking down our 4th of July party decorations.
Y'all, I just loved our little decorations. I felt like they were very low budget, but definitely cute. So I definitely am going to do something similar next year, and I probably will add to it.
My turn. Oh, what? Ow. I can pick it up. That poked me. That's because you're not supposed to.
I hope that you guys all had a fun and safe 4th of July celebration. And I want to thank you guys for watching our videos and continuing to support my channel. I would love for you to subscribe if you are new here. And if you are an oldie, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you guys, and stay blessed.